the triumph of the white Accord. In the heart of Oregon's Pacific Northwest, surrounded by lush forests and misty mountains, there lived a man named Damien. His love for cars had always been a part of him, but his passion centered around one special vehicle, a white 1991 Honda Accord. This car wasn't just a mode of transportation. It was a relic of his youth and a canvas for his automotive dreams. The Accord, with its factory original parts and faded white paint, had seen better days. Yet to Damien, it was a diamond in the rough. He entered his beloved Accord in numerous car shows, only to face the disappointment of not winning. The competition was fierce, with dazzling muscle cars and polished imports that overshadowed his humble vehicle. Refusing to give up, Damien resolved to transform his Accord into a showstopper. He envisioned a car that would honor its heritage while incorporating modern enhancements. This journey began with countless nights in his garage, meticulously planning each modification. First, Damien decided to overhaul the exterior. He stripped away the old paint and gave the car a fresh, radiant white coat that gleamed under the Oregon sun and shimmered in the rain. Next, he sourced work VSX wheels, known for their stylish design and impeccable performance, to replace the old worn-out ones. These wheels gave the Accord a sleek, modern look while retaining its classic charm. The heart of the transformation lay under the hood. Damien replaced the original engine with a powerful H22 motor, known for its reliability and performance. This upgrade gave the Accord a new lease on life, transforming it from a daily driver to a serious contender in the car show circuit. The engine roared with newfound power, yet maintained a smoothness that spoke to Damien's meticulous attention to detail. Inside, the Accord received a complete makeover. Damien reupholstered the seats with high-quality fabric, restored the dashboard, and replaced the carpet, ensuring every detail was perfect. Months of hard work and countless hours in the garage finally culminated in a car that was a testament to Damien's dedication. The Accord was a blend of nostalgia and modern craftsmanship, a tribute to its era and a showcase of Damien's skill. The day of the Pacific Northwest Car Show arrived, and Damien's Accord gleamed in the morning sun. As he drove onto the showground, heads turned and whispers spread through the crowd. The judges, known for their discerning eyes, took their time inspecting every detail. They noted the flawless paint job, the powerful H22 motor, the stylish work VSX wheels, and the perfectly restored interior. When the time came for the awards, Damien stood among the crowd, his heart pounding. The announcer's voice echoed through the speakers. And the trophy for the best-looking, best-built vehicle goes to Damien's 1991 Honda Accord. A wave of applause swept through the audience as Damien stepped forward to accept his trophy. It wasn't just a victory for him, it was a validation of his vision and hard work. The once overlooked Accord now stood proudly among the automotive elite, a testament to the idea that with passion and perseverance, even the most underestimated can rise to greatness. From that day on, Damien's Accord became a legend in Oregon, inspiring others to see the beauty in the overlooked and the potential in the forgotten. And as for Damien, he continued to cherish his beloved car, knowing that it was more than just a vehicle. It was a part of his soul, built to perfection.